How to use Gemini AI for coding. Welcome back to a new guide video, everyone. If you need coding help, Gemini AI can act as your coding assistant, whether you're trying to write, debug, or understand code faster. Now, there are a bunch of situations where you can use Gemini for your coding help, such as if you want to write coding from scratch, if you want to debug your code, or even want step-by-step guidance. For example, if you want to start off from scratch, you can provide a prompt just like this so that you don't need to start off from complete scratch. If you provide a prompt similar to this, it is going to give you the baseline of the code that you can work with. So using this method, you do not need to code yourself from entirely scratch. What you can also do is use Gemini AI for the step-by-step process. So if you want a step-by-step guideline on something, you can provide a simple prompt and it's going to guide you the step-by-step process that you need to follow in order to build any application that you want. As you can see, I provided a prompt which says give me a step-by-step to build a to-do app using React. It also gives me a preview, and if you head over to the code, you can see the code to build this exact to-do app. So these are the few situations where you can use Gemini AI for coding. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.